Okay, don't forget the very first step. When you do your makeup, you always gotta wash your hands nice and good. Lather in that soap. Don't forget the tops of your hands, underneath your fingernails, and rinse thoroughly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do a tiny hands makeup tutorial. This is definitely not my idea. Somebody else did it and I wanted to try it, so that's what we're here to do today. We will see how this goes because I don't feel like I have much control with these puppies, so I guess it's just going to start out with my foundation, just like all my other YouTube tutorials. So today I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation and I'll be applying it with my hands. So you just want to make sure you're good enough to get that full coverage look, and just make sure and use your fingers to your advantage so you can get all the way underneath your eyes. Matches my hands, my skin tone perfectly, so I'm really glad that I picked this shade. Yeah, there it is. Now just in case you get to this point and you're like, man, I look a little bit too good, you're going to want to use a beauty blender just to get out some of those finger lines. You just got to get a good grasp of it, and then you just got to pounce up and down until all of those finger marks are gone. Both of your tiny hands around that beauty blender. I'm actually sweating. Okay, almost done, almost there. Yep. We're just going to take our one hand this time and hold it just like magic. Right underneath both eyes. Some on the nose, on the forehead. Yep. Get all of those areas. And then one more time. Take your beauty blender and get right in under those eyes. There we go. Yep. Don't forget to get a good bronze. You gotta use both of your hands to get that contour. Sorry, my tiny hands are making a tiny mistake. Okay, now that we kind of use our face to help us a little bit, I think that's probably enough bronzer for a few days. I'm just gonna cut our cheek. Get our cardio also for the day. Get that forehead bronzed. Yep. There we go. Whew. Okay, let's put some blush on with the same brush. Oh yeah, perfect. I'm taking none other than the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here to get a nice defined crease. A really good grasp of that brush, both hands. Don't drop it in that shade because that could be not the shade that you want. So now that I've got this nice camel shade, get real close so you can see what's going on here. Just gonna keep blending that out until this does not look like the shade. I think I dropped it in the blue green dark shade, so it might look a little bit weird. Okay, I think I got a little bit much. Oh yeah, let's put some over here. Perfect. Seamless blend. Now I think we should put a little shimmery shade on the lid to give a little bit of pop to my eyes. My little hand is learning to grasp this a little bit better, so we're just going to put this gold shade all over the lid. Beautiful shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Perfect for your everyday. Matches this camel shade quite nicely if you ask me. Now this tiny hand has to turn over a little, so he's challenging himself. But don't worry, if you have an itch, tiny hand can scratch. I think we need a little bit of highlighter. Get a grip, tiny hand, come on. I'm going to be using my Morphe M510 highlighting brush along with this Jeffree Star highlighter in the shade Siberian Gold. I'm just going right in top of my cheekbones to give me that perfect highlight. Oh yes, looking great. The blush So natural looking, loving this so much. Might wear this to school tomorrow. Down the nose, on the cupid's bow, on the chin. We are going the whole distance today. I think the only thing that's missing now is some lipstick, and I'm feeling some bold lipstick today. Gotta have my tiny hands get themselves together. Tiny hands got it. To the rescue. Here we go. So they're a little rough around the edges. I think I've looked a little bit better before. For anyone who was wondering, that was the Ofra collaboration with Manny MUA in the shade Hypno, and I think it looks great. Yep, even if you don't have normal size hands, you can accomplish this look right here. Shoot for the stars. Thanks for watching my tiny hands tutorial. Thanks for watching my tiny hands tutorial, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching my tiny hands tutorial, and I hope to see you all in the next video where my hands will magically grow back to normal size.